Hello, welcome to today's math session. You'll need your whiteboard and a whiteboard pen and your whiteboard rubber. You can use your number line and you can also use something to count with like this stick of 10. You can pause, rewind and re-watch this video anytime you wish.
Good morning everybody and welcome to Maths this week. So what we're focusing on this week is subtraction. Now, do you remember what subtraction means? It means taking away. Well done. And I'm just going to remind you of the subtraction symbol because we've touched on this already in school and we're going to have some fun with it over the next 2 weeks. So do you remember subtraction looks like this? That's the symbol for subtraction, which means take away. Now we're going to have a lot of fun this week, so make sure you use any resources that you need in your home learning pack to help you. Your tower of 10 cubes, your dice, anything that you need, it's all there. And let's start with a subtraction story.
We've got some scooters to count. I'm going to touch count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 scooters.
Come on, Miss Baker, let's have a race.
Go.
There were 7 scooters to start with. 2 went on a race. How many do you think are left?
That was such a fun race. I'm going to see how many scooters we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Use your whiteboard and pen to now have a go at writing a number sentence to match the story that you have just watched. Remember, there were 7 scooters to start with. Mrs. Bracey and Miss Baker took 2 on a scooter race, and there were 5 left over. Pause this video now to have a go at writing a number sentence and check back in a moment to see if the teachers have got it correct. Don't forget to use the symbol for take away or subtraction that Mrs. Bracey showed us at the beginning of this video.
So, there were 7 scooters. And then we had to take away the 2 that went on a race with Miss Baker and Mrs. Bracey. So 2 equals 5. 5 scooters were left. I'm going to count our wellies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 wellies.
Come on, Miss Baker, let's go for a welly walk. Grab your wellies.
There were 10 wellies to start with. Mrs. Bracey and Miss Baker took 4 away. How many are left?
What are all these wellies doing here? And where are Miss Baker and Mrs. Bracey? I'm going to count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wellies?
Looks like Miss Hudson's a bit confused about what's going on with the wellies. Pause this video now, use your whiteboard and pen to write a number sentence to show what happened in the story. Remember, we started with 14 wellies and then 4 were taken away. And there were 10 left.
There were 4 14 wellies. Okay, so I need my 1 and my 4 for 14. Then Miss Baker and Mrs. Bracey went on a welly walk and they had to take away 4 wellies equals 10 wellies left over that Miss Hudson was counting.
Wow, books. I love books. Oh, how many have I got?
I love books too.
Oh,
Can
oh.
I have some?
Let's see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mrs. Scott started with 8 books, but she's kindly shared 4 with Mrs. Every. How many does Mrs. Scott have left?
And that means I've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's time to write a number sentence about what you have seen. Pause the video here, get your whiteboard and pen, and have a go at writing a number sentence to match the story. Remember, Mrs. Scott had 8 books to start with. She gave 4 to Mrs. Every, and then she had 4 left over.
Next, Mrs. Scott was reading some books. She had 8 books to start with. Then Mrs. Every wanted to read some too, so we had to take away 4 books for Mrs. Every, and then it equaled 4 books left.
Oh gosh, all this hard work is making me so hungry. I've got some cookies to eat. Look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies. Oh, I can't wait to eat my cookies in a second. I'm so excited. Back in a minute to eat my cookies.
Biscuits. Oh, treats.
Oh, these smell delicious.
Mrs. Smith had 5 cookies, but those Hungry Foundation teachers took 3 of them. How many does Mrs. Smith have left?
I don't believe it. Look, I've only got 2 cookies left. 1, 2. Oh no.
Pause the video here as it's time to write your final number sentence. Don't forget, Mrs. Smith started with 5 cookies. Those hungry teachers ate 3 and she had 2 left over. Poor Mrs. Smith.
Finally, Mrs. Smith had 5 biscuits on her plate. We had to take away 3 because Miss Hudson, Mrs. Bracey and Miss Baker all stole a biscuit. And that equaled 2 biscuits left.
Thanks for joining us for today's math session. Why not try making some of your own subtraction stories at home? Have fun and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.